Bibia come on.
Ade am ase.
Bibia come on.
Enko nti.
I think that even for more issue, they've come to listen to Ayala say, Basa betimi Ayala say Basa ntimi ye. Simple. Na game bia. Ehun sem kaya no complicated kakra. And rich, and you might be brave, and a bit decided, and then you read the clash between Barca and the Atletico. And you know, somebody have first leg in the coin. First half, na Atletico Madrid as Barcelona 4-0. Barca can have the share go be obviously when I was in standing at offside. O match home and so on position. The fact of the matter is, Barca could lose heavy against Atletico and Wanda Metropolitano. Now, Barca ever back. There's so much belief, so much in that over 24-0 results. Now, Rich, nobody should blame Barca for believing in themselves. Bolivian sa ukwa akun na unya wanga sa umu dibie se akun ya mikwe mi se day but me do nkunim. That is the beginning of the fight. And unless you want to be mischievous and I say area in the environment of football trolls and the abasa no but it is very, very normal. Say, Barcelona be show mu kurai. Say you know metimi. That is so metimi ampa. It starts from the mentality, and they are doing whatever it takes to get the mentality. Say, I need metimi. Now, Rich, there's a difference between who you mentally psyched for a mission, who prepare for it, and they say ampa, who can execute. And so what bear 1 week in here, and come on work and tell you now, be how should Ansi Flick go into the game? Obetimi stand a chance, say Obetimi romantada on what back. Na on attackers go brave. And when you go DM, na on Sisa Daniel, Omo Pedri, Femi Lopez, Rashford, Mina, good game, no more go full blown attack. And then on here, there be a lot of suggestions. Obia an analysis. But Rich, you project the Dario, but let's forget about Atletico for the moment. Now they are concentrating on Barcelona. I think Dario Sports have a lot of information because Sautie trainings about Barcelona here, any very, very close journalist or many to watch Barcelona training now. Rich, the closest I've seen someone got it right. I want the Powerball 11, no. I had this one from Dario, not the Atletico one, the Barcelona one. Juan Garcia, Kunde, Zao Cancelo, left back, not Badi. Then Kubasi, Gerard Martin, now Pedri, Magbena, Femi Lopez, then anymore Lamine Yamal, Rafinha, Ferran. But it's around there almost 11 more. There's one journalist in Catalan calls one. And I can say, I am correct. This seems to be the probable 11. But when you're inside source, we say, has a flick, no air who say, even baby for Antoresibono. I'm for that. Yes. Now, and Barcelona will play Magbena, Pedri, Fermin Lopez as number 10. And baby, Ferran Ejina as the center forward, flanked by Rafinha and Lamine Yamal. Omujini say, Ferran is good. Our movements, our rhythm, our pace, our how but who say Barcelona need a night when they will be clinical. Chance never no watch. Ferran ebetimi ati akoma on that score.
No chance I always
the man chance
no
no. They don't need that kind of attitude and character in today's game. They need a very, very composed clinical finisher. And the thing is, Daniel Omo in and around the box is calm. Omo possible even under pressure. Until they are considering that. Until which, with that knowledge, you put Barcelona 4-3-3, no? And because that decision has yet not been made, let's not put Ferran Torres here. Into Ferran Torres as Barcelona striker, Rafinha, Lamine, Marc Bernat sitting deep as number 6, Senebe Obetimia free, Pedri, and Fermin Lopez as Barcelona number 10. Then a chance and yes, number 3 no left back no, and your body, but one Cancelo with Kunde, Kubasi, Fermin, Gerard Martin. Now, Rich. The Barcelona Atletico enemy, and they believe say no, not tonight. Because which just imagine Atletico throwing away 4-0 advantage. Now Barcelona in the second leg. I mean, too embarrassing. Too embarrassing. But Mamin Kessam was saying about Asia. You knew me was a man. Rich. And when you say pressure, Diego Simeone so he have to do the job. Now saying come on, maybe I'm go for the about let's go say we are not what I watch it. Or I will get food. Hey, yes, Atletico. Yeah, I say there is no baby for me so in Kenya now. Now, Rich, and come on, you about Diego Simeone, any Atletico Madrid. If there is a timer, and when you form what Atletico Madrid, I may convince say, I am not correct. It is if you give the game away tonight. So when you go for one and you must have film, which if it is for the first time, may sure say Serrazo everybody thinks say look, this man have overlooked the time. Now wait, baby I go for Diego Simeone and Semina Babiano. The question of people say oh, now Diego Simeone or Kwan. The way Atletico Madrid team it seems a perfect marriage. We are both team leader and we are coach and we are coaching team for a very very long. I said, our year on the team because we are could be our farmer. Let's come out in worry. Rich, Papa James said, in the last very 1.5 years, the moment you consider say a bedroom maybe on Diego Simeone and let's come out in the Jumano. Do you know any about him? Luis Felipe. So, and I'm the one I'm saying, there are stories that starts like this. And if a coincidence to control me, but you see it popping. Say, ultimately, Casey and Mia, and you go to me from prophets. Rich, on the night that Diego Simeone will be fighting for his job, all the Nkofaka say, or yeah, I do to step in or have been sacked a fortnight ago. Wait to say and you kill your money near Jumano or Baba because you're free from Flamingo. And you have to a seer. we will come back to it. Now, the biggest question, and they say, okay, who could afford now the cost 45 company? Barcelona, who time from referee Morris to say King, they will come to attack you because they need to score goals. And a quite there was many before. Either or money for no buy, and I say, oh, man, where to come about Barcelona? More banana test what you know yourself. Oh, banana test what you know yourself. Or shall be answered by one year the amount. Then you start to lose focus. Rich. When you said in the Copa del Rey, and there's no black leather, and one muso leather. I was asking, and they gave me still now no for one muso call. And also Muka said, Massa. And then you made no margin of error. Yet is that of black eba. Yes, muso na and a better. Then there's one crucial decision in midfield. Nanciano Musa was Rodrigo Mendoza. Rich and Tia Ban said, name you of this guy, very, very good fighter. Or athletic, or bonus is a word you know. And see, this foot mob, or first 11 now, according to Massa, the only change, I need Johnny Cardoso, but a Abrantia friend of Mendoza. It's on open a bit full. And in a typical 4-4-2, or both one muso, nature back for Loriente, Ugeri, then Hanko, any Pubel, and I completing the back four. No? Then Neba Simeone on the right, very, very good fighter. Lukman on the left, Koke, and Mendoza in the middle. Then the name what two, no? Antoine Griezmann and Abrantia for Julian Alvarez and they did 2 tests on him just to pass him fix for any game. No, on my end they also need some panic because they need Julian Alvarez. Someone say, "Baba Bria, you know a Julian Alvarez in there with you. You will be careful." So, Rich, you put the Atletico Madrid 4-4-2, and that is what you are going to get. Where are you, Casa? Because Obiani gave so much room. And then I am about to say, game never could see. Yes, that's a more now, Barcelona will dominate. And let's go back on the cheap. Or could a team or train. And then football, your friend take over now. I turn over now. Oh, Bana, attack him. Now, so a pre-match. Nami, Ukosiana Miko, Ukosiana Miko, Ukosiana Miko. So, Ubu 140 pass. Nami intercept it. And I'm play me tackle no Jimona. Then she a calmness catra. We a tia passable. No. See, Pedati, we are highlighting because one will need the brother pass here. Ya Bobo Nutuma. We are expecting our sisters no any conform you. Julian Alvarez and Lukman. So what's now running behind the defense, not their friend counter attacking it. That is the analysis of the game. Okay. And the for me and see Barca dominating, trying to find spaces and score. Atletico, Nhyira, you're trying to show your movement in the counter attacker. You are rely on the quality of your players. No, you are saying once in a while, you better form. You don't delay. You don't take a career. You don't move. Yes, what I you better now 30 seconds. Me, I am Sana. You tell me every game. No, I could save. Me, you tell me Abba. Rich, this night is not a night of possibilities. You must do it. And you just believe you must do it. Why now? What from? I don't want to say, oh, I am possible. Maybe I am possible. Yes. But whether your possibility will be enough is what I can mention. And you but in a nutshell, no, Romantada and the Benjamin, and Barca Besha, but don't need to be qualified. Which is here. Okay. This Barcelona team is very capable. I'll be supporting and with all my heart. You met me as Atletico for, but to beat them to overturn 4-0, Rich, and then okay, and then Mama Kakapa, Mankana Meboa. So Barcelona win at least. Barcelona win. Say open me prediction. Barcelona win. And then there are games in the EPL. So what I will do is say I will combine this with the analysis I've done and give you the two courses. My prepare I will bet you know na yetimi abefie ababedi nkomo. Two courses are very very simple. So I will share Nhyira TV on YouTube. On the board, you know, there's one for rollover, then one for a combination of any games, you know. I think about 9 odds or so. The rollover, they so wow, ultra bet the piano. Only the number of odds Ayala a womb. It's what we hear already on so no code no rollover then a BW 418 E3660 BW 418 E3660. And a combination of an game, you know, BW 418 E753F BW 418 E753F. Oko social media handle Subempa Ayala ewo X and as a besmako Subempa hyphen Ayala ewo Facebook and as Ayala Sports ewo Facebook. My Telegram page, you know, and our WhatsApp channel now. Unsa ebeka with other betting companies and so a code ewo na what me afenti and then we all be watching say Barcelona ebetimi aye and I say omo entimi enya rich.